Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be sharing 3 tips on how you, the small channel, can actually appear higher in the YouTube search bar. Let's get right into this. Now, tip number 1 is just video trial and error. Yes, that's right, trial and error with your videos. If you go and look at my YouTube channel, I have over 100 different videos. When I was starting out, I would put videos out, and some did really well. Some didn't really get the views that I thought it would. If you're a smaller channel that, when you put out videos, they don't do as well, say they maybe get less than 100 views per video, you shouldn't stop there. And that's the thing. Like I said, when I was starting out, some of my videos didn't even get any views. And I thought, you know what, is this really for me? That's the thing. I continue to put out quality content every week, every time I put out a video, and I just let it go and see what happened. And you can actually go on my channel right now. There's I think 4 videos that have surpassed 50,000 views. Yes, I can't believe it myself, but that's all from just, continuing the process and putting out quality content and just seeing where it goes. And again, if your video isn't doing that well, continue to constantly post more videos, because you never know. One may just hit it and the views will just start piling in, and then you can use that as a learning process. Whatever you did for that one, do for the next one, and you'll hopefully see more growth. Ready. Number 2 is to post content with thumbnails that will actually get people to watch them. When I say this, when people go onto the YouTube search bar and actually search for a video, chances are their eyes are going to go to the video that is more appealing to them. So when making your videos, you want to make sure that your thumbnail is appealing to those people. Because if people spot your video, chances are they'll watch it as well. If you are struggling on how to make thumbnails, there's tons of videos on YouTube, of course, that you can go watch. But when you do make them, if you have people around in the room with you, ask them, does this video appeal, does this thumbnail appeal to you? Would you watch a video if you saw this thumbnail? You can then get the input from other people and adjust the thumbnail or whatever if you have to. If they like it, hey, you know what? Put it on that video and see how it does. But that's the other thing. I'm not saying when you create the thumbnail, put tie-dye colors in and try and get a whole bunch of, people to view it. Chances are if you put too much, it may deter people from watching it. To be on the safe side, stick with colors and content, other pictures if you have them, that will appeal to other people. Again, if they appeal to other people, chances are they'll click on your video. Finally, tip number 3 is to use high quality keywords and tags in your videos. That's the thing. When I was first starting my channel, I didn't really know what tags were. But after growing throughout the years, I learned a lot. And if I make a video to, this day, I know how to create those tags to get people to come on and click on the video. If you do struggle with creating tags, one thing that you could do is actually go onto the YouTube search bar. The YouTube search bar, you can actually search for topics and videos that surround yours. And you can see how many searches that topic gets. When you search for keywords, I recommend downloading the TubeBuddy extension. This is free, and then you can use it on your YouTube. When I searched how to clean sandals, I can view off to the side here as how many people search it per month. And if we scroll down, my video is the 4th from the top, so that's pretty good. But you can now use this, look at the views, and then decide what tags and keywords to use in your video. When you search for a topic and you see that the search quantity, the number of people who search for that topic is too high, chances are if you use that tag, people may not click on your video because there's other videos surrounding that topic. What you want to do next is then alter that search just a bit. Maybe add a word or two or something again, that's related to your content and see how many searches that one gets. If there's less searches this time, hey, guess what? That's probably a better tag to use than the other one that got millions and millions of searches. This one with less, maybe more people, because there's less searches, will click on your video because, hey, guess what? You use that tag and your video is coming up in the search bar. Again, that is just one tip that I have for you. You know, there's a whole bunch of other videos that you could watch to try and get more information on tags and keywords. If you use that YouTube search, you can see how many people are searching for that topic and then decide, you know what, do I want to put this in my video or not? Will this get people to view it and click it? When you finally find those keywords that you want to use, you then want to alter them a little bit. What I do is I like to take a video, say if it's, you know, how to clean flip-flops, I'll then put in the tag description how to clean flip-flops, how to clean sandals, how to clean flip-flops properly. I add other words in there that if people do, you know, go into YouTube search and search those ones, my video will again appear higher because guess what? I included that tag. But guess what? In the end, it's all about trial and error again. Yes, sorry for saying that again, but to be honest, it is. If you are a smaller channel, you know, myself included, you have to experiment. Use this thumbnail here and this tag here and see if they work together. You know what? If they combine and, you know, search, and when you search it, views come to that video, you did a good job adding keywords, tags, and using that thumbnail. And then you can then use that sort of process when making your next video and then use, like I said, that, you know, all that aspects towards that one and continue on from there. Anyways, that was 3 little tips coming from myself because, like I said, I am a smaller channel, just hit 1,000 subscribers. So those are good, I like to say good tips that you guys could follow to try and appear higher in that search bar as well. Anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe below as it helps us grow. Remember, it's all about growth. And guess what? You know what? If you like and subscribe, I'm going to make a video. As I just got monetized, I will make a video just surrounding my analytics and revenue for the first month of monetization to see what a smaller YouTuber might make once they hit monetization status. So don't forget to subscribe below and also like the video. And guess what? If you did enjoy the video, thanks for watching and hopefully we'll see you next time.